So we are about to race a full bolt-on 340. He saw me race a M340. I'm gonna put clips of that race, and I'm gonna give him a card lead. Well, a card lead, and then it goes off the light. So we're gonna point that at your feet. You have a car lead, correct?
Yes.
Off the light.
It's the light, not the hands?
No.
Off the light.
Off the light, because hands he's jumping.
Who is this?
Either one is jumping, and we're gonna keep
Yo,
it.
man, off the light, I'm jumping too. I don't give a fuck. No, that's my buddy Mark. I'm gonna run.
Oh, Mark, he was hitting me up, and I was just ignoring because I didn't know who to.
He's full bolt on the 85. So,
Tell him catch next lane.
Catch the next lane too. I don't care, but
This is your 10 foot. We need money.
no, but I didn't want to tell because I just didn't want to, you know, give out our spot, you know.
it's one guy. It's one guy.
No, no. I didn't know how you felt.
That's my boy.
Yeah, that's why.
Anyone that's team passes, you know, it's still my boy.
Yeah,
I know,
of
that's
course.
fucked up. You destroyed
So,
both like that.
all right.
We're sitting in the parking lot for good.
Let's have some fun, buddy.
Have some fun. I'm gonna prep, just because safety first.
Of course.
You know, and then.
Yo, Mark, pull in here. Turn your.
So
he hands and not the light.
he jumped the light.
Wait, I don't think
so
I got
hard.
it.
He jumped
Yeah,
the
look.
hands.
Wait.
Oh no, I didn't get it.
Oh wow, you're trash.
But yo, you want to see how bad it was from the back?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't terrible, dude.
But then
Want me to zoom in?
Yeah, zoom in.
That wasn't terrible. Like, no, that was money.
It was.
No.
It was.
That was a good shape.
It was. I was already at like fucking 45 at that point. I was already at 45, bro. I was
I
like,
heard you start spinning, and I was like, I hope it doesn't happen, and then it happened.
Yeah, I
and
know.
they said traction was off.
no, traction's on. Bro. I knew it was gonna. So I was like, it is what it is. I'm
Sorry,
not
Kevin, I
gonna.
definitely jumped.
Oh, I know. And then, yo, Boris,
Yeah, he's literally.
Mr. Boris, can I see the video again? I wanna see that too. Yeah. Well, obviously, you guys send that to me later.
Move it forward a little bit.
Oh, you guys raced already? They're gonna probably get a rerun.
Yeah, they should.
Kevin got a little squirrel.
I missed it. What happened?
Little bit.
Oh, Kevin lost?
Yeah.
Well, damn. Where you going? Which way you going, bro?
Is this on top? I'm gonna go back a little for you, alright? Because I fucked it up.
Oh, you fucked up.
This guy.
I was gonna bring Noah, but he was too bugged out to come.
No.
Oh, you got fucking smoked.
You seen him all power up top?
He jumped.
No,
I don't think I jumped, bro. Watch his video. Watch his video. Yo, bro, my brake lights are still on. My brake lights are still on.
Get the fuck out.
It's
all on the GoPro, bro. Get out of here.
Show him the GoPro.
Oh, we'll go back to the GoPro.
Put it right now.
Yeah, I know, but I'm recording.
Oh, damn. Chase, you take me for a ride.
Yo, should I race this SRT8?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Yo, yo, you want to race that SRT8?
Blue, red,
Yo, you want to be famous, bro? Race it.
You want to race that SRT8?
That SRT8?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, I know. Do you want to race it?
Oh, like against who?
Me.
No.
Yes. I mean, I've done it multiple times. I mean, we already know what the answer's gonna be.
So $50?
Oh no. I've done it like for free.
So what is it? Full bolt-on E85?
Full bolt-on, big turbo, intake tune.
No. I'm talking about the Subi.
Oh, full bolt-on E85.
Oh, okay.
No, use your phone. Use your phone.
This is better.
You on the phone with him? Where's Dan?
Oh, yeah. They're recording from their phone, so. This is off the hands? Oh, okay. Yo, heat up that turbo. Get that heat soak. Get that heat soak. What's up with it? Tommy, let's go.
Alright, ready?
I'll let you know when to let off, but try to hold it out like 20 feet or so. Hold on, wait for this car to... That was good?
So, this is a small road. It's a shit road too because, I mean, I'm gonna like, we prepped, you know? I don't know if you could see it, but it's just a shit road. Oh, it's sticky though. It's sticky. It's sticky. It makes no freaking sense. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna stress it. My car. I'm testing on this road because it's just shit, and I'm not crashing my car. I just got it like Saturday night, so we're not risking that.
May or may not have jumped.
Okay.
We
road?
spun, so we'll do it again.
Not this road.
Not this road,
No.
but we'll do it again.
Yes.
To keep it fair.
Uh-huh.
I still got that car
Okay.
and the hit.
No. All right. So next road we'll do is an actual prepped road.
Okay.
And same thing that we did tonight, where it's just us in the chat.
Of course.
And keep it very us, you know?
Next time it'll be on ethanol though, so.
I hope so, because I'm gonna be on 109. I'm gonna make sure I drag you.
Yeah, but once you fucking hook, you're gonna keep
Yeah,
going.
I know.
That was my only hope, that I get out the hole and you spin and play catch up.
Yeah, I know.
And
That's
obviously your mile per hour is double mine.
Yeah, it was crazy.
We're gonna have fun.
Yeah, it was
That's all I
fun.
wanted to do was fucking just get it tested.
Oh, exactly. You know, we tested.
And I gotta not jump like that. That was.
Oh, that was so hard.
Dude, I didn't do it on purpose. I just,
No,
I don't
yeah, I know, it's your
That's
first
my
time.
first race on the light. Like I'm used to
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
you know. And
Yeah.
I know when he's gonna drop.
Yeah.
That I had no idea. I just
No,
fucking went.
yeah, it happened. But yo, think about it. On Sunday, when it was nice and whatever, my car hooked. It hooked. Like, well, it spun a little bit, but I had no prep. This time I put prep, but it's a little foggy.
It's foggy and it's cold out. Yeah.
Yeah, so
What's your tire pressure?
20.
That's already low.
Yeah, it's already. I mean, it could go lower, but
Yeah, but then you're gonna drive around with 10 psi on your
yeah,
tire.
no, exactly. That's why I
If you have
leave
a
it at.
compressor, then yeah.
No. My last Mustang had a compressor. This one doesn't. I was like,
to make this thing fucking sad.
oh, I need shocks. That's what I'm getting
You
next.
raise the rear end with soft
Yeah,
shocks.
yeah.
That's what you
So-
need. You need the fucking.
Yeah, I know. So shit happens, but we had fun,
Oh yeah.
and you know, so good shit, and we'll try it again.
For sure.
It was, yo, it was.
I gotta call out other niggas when I'm on ethanol. Yo, I'm happy with it though. Like.
So we are leaving. I'm gonna go home because